today is just a celebration of two incredible worlds of motorsport coming together in something that I just don't think will be rivaled for a long, long time.
This is something very exciting. Luis will try my M1 and I will try his Formula 1 car.
Hey, champion.
All okay?
How are you, man? Tutto bene, tu?
Tutto posto. Tutto bene.
How is everything?
So you tried yesterday?
Yeah.
And how is going? Is okay? Yeah, pain here?
I mean, I have so much pain in my arms today.
Today was a day about having fun on bikes here in Valencia. I was doing some laps in front to show him the lines and to show him the braking points, where you brake, where you accelerate, to show him how you ride on this track. And then I was doing some laps behind him to see how he was riding, how he was acting on the bike.
What you see right now is just the culmination of many, many months of work. About 2 years that Lewis has been talking about it, 2 years he's been training towards it.
I feel like I'm often leaning the bike too much, so now I'm always nervous that I'm not enough off.
I think you should focus maybe to go a bit more forward.
More forward. Okay. So I'm quite far
Your
back.
head.
Yeah.
Your head.
So by the
If you go forward, in the same time you go more outside.
Really?
Going ahead in the day, he got his mojo. We managed to get a good level, I think.
What a day. Thank you for having the patience with me today.
And you enjoy it? It's
I
good?
love it.
Yes?
I love it
You
so
love
much.
it? Okay.
I love it, but I can't get the body in the right position.
I saw one video. You are a
Yeah.
little bit like old style. A
This is
little
old
bit,
style.
little
Yeah.
bit like this. Yeah. For sure with this you will enjoy more. Because it's very similar to
Too
the
fast.
one.
It's
Yeah,
a
very,
bit too
but
fast.
is the same. But it's faster, lighter, brake better,
Yeah.
turn better. But in the base is the same.
So the leg and then the arm.
Exactly. Like this.
I struggle. I find it easier to go left than going right.
This is normal.
Yeah?
But for me, I prefer right.
Okay.
But
But are you right-handed or left-handed?
No, I am left.
Okay, so that's really...
It's normal.
looked
But
at
also the Motogp riders, the same.
Really?
Yeah. A lot of riders are better on the left.
I
a
saw
lot
the pictures this morning and I was like, damn it. I thought I was doing better in this position.
You have the picture?
Yeah, they
You have
showed me
here?
some
Show me.
pictures. So
Nah,
show
this
me
is good.
some of these.
Vedi, you have the. Allora, first of all, you don't use the leg. See?
No.
Look at your leg compared
Yes.
to Franco.
Mm.
Because you too close a little bit. Vedi, the head, you see?
Yeah,
the
my
difference.
head is always up.
Vedi? This is always more rear, and you are always more rear. I am a little bit nervous. I tried in the past the Formula 1, but it was a long time ago, 10 years ago. I think that the car is changed a lot. They are very, very fast. This is 2017, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
So it has a lot of career downforce as well.
yeah, you said to me last time that it's a good car to drive. How is the neck? Difficult, eh? For
Not so
braking?
bad.
For braking? I remember for braking, very difficult.
Yeah. I mean, I don't find it so bad. But you know, when I'm in the car, I'm used to it. When I get on the bike, I'm
Yeah, it's
pain everywhere.
It's different. It's completely different.
Oh no.
This is your guy?
Yeah.
Ciao.
Bono.
Ciao. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Valentino.
Good?
Okay.
Yeah, very good.
Bono's been my engineer for 7 years now.
7 years.
Yeah.
So
Fantastic.
yeah, he's like my chief mechanic. He's the leader. You speak with him.
Yes.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think that the most difficult is this. Is exit from here. That's the time.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
I think he's going to do an amazing job. He's already familiar with it. He's been in the simulator. He's super keen. He's got experience of F1 cars before, so you know I think he's going to get back on pace pretty quick.
It's a very good car, this one. So excited for you to try it. Valentino's about to go out. There's all these people here. It's so awesome to see a legend get into the car, and just I'm excited for him for the discovery, you know. so good.
You're fucking crazy.
No. This is amazing, no? You did so good.
It's like you stay in the lavatrice is the washing machine. It's like you stay in the washing machine. When it comes out, you say,
He's very good at progressively finding performance in a way that is chipping away at it, really corner by corner, working with the engineer, working with the data. As he's gone out on each run, he's progressively used more of the systems and found more of the limits that he's coming up against.
I tried a bit too much on the last corner and I speed. At the end, I was able to put the retro.
And what happened here? You pressed the DRS?
yeah, I tried the DRS in the long left.
On the long left?
Yes.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. So I go wide and I touch the throttle and speed.
Okay.
For him, it's a dream, it really is. You're about to get onto a god in the world of motorcycling racing, his bike with him next to you. That's an experience that he's just looking forward to like you wouldn't believe.
We are in Valencia. It's a tricky track for the Motogp. Try to keep attention on the right corners because here is always a bit difficult, but Lewis is good.
He jumps on the bike and he's just super fast straight away. His lap times are pretty incredible.
And what do you think?
Oh, I think it's beautiful.
You like?
Just before I get to power, I got.
Yeah. They have the pop pump
Yeah.
like this. Yeah.
Yeah, this sounds so cool.
Yes.
I was braking too late, turn one. always,
Yeah, you break.
always braking too late. But wow, wow. Thank you so much, dude. That was perfect. That was freaking awesome for you, man. Great. Thank you so much for your time. So cool to just see the legend ahead of me. That was so cool. Honestly, like the best day.
It's been such a fantastic day. Congratulations, man. It was a real honor to get to ride with you and experience a special day. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks a lot, Joey. For me, it was unforgettable to ride with you, to drive your car. It's a great day, it's fantastic. And for me, buddy, and for me.
Thanks, mate. Thank you, man. Great. Great.
So better at the end, eh?
So good.
You're good. You're better on the seat, better position.
A little bit, yeah. And how was it in the car?
Thanks. I like a lot. He's unbelievable. He's a great. He's a real test.
Yeah.
I feel like a Formula One driver for one day.
It's honestly just been an incredible day. Yeah, to have the experience with Valentino was phenomenal. We went out together and got to see him drive my car and get out with him on track was just fantastic.
The car is fantastic. Great honor to drive for me and for him.